Welcome back to our daily question series. So today is day 75 and today we are going to solve LeetCode problem 2078 to furthest house with different color. Okay, so let's see the problem statement first. Okay, so there are n houses evenly lined up on the street and each house is beautifully painted. You are given a zero index integer array colors of length and where colors of I represents the color of the ith house. Return the maximum distance between two houses where different colors. Okay, the distance between the ith and jth house is absolute of I minus j, where absolute x is the absolute value of x. Understood? So here we can see like beautifully it is given the example statement. So we have the color array. One is denoting blue color, I believe. Six is red, and again one is blue. So the maximum difference for the two colors here you have to find. So here we can see this is the maximum, and maximum difference is between them is like 4, not 4, 3, right? 3 is the difference, that's why we're written 3. So we have to, so basically the number in the given color is just for difference of the colors. We don't have to worry about the number, and we don't have to subtract this number to get the x value. We have to just based on the index we can see, right? Similar explanation has been given in example 2. We have, I can see we have three colors. One is denoting blue, 8 is denoting yellow, and 3 is denoting green. So difference between two different colors. So here blue and green we can take maximum that we can get, so it is 4, right? uh, Similar way 0 and 1, so max 2 color is there, so 1 is the difference, right? So let's see the constant. So constant we have given like colors of length will be equals to the size of array, fine, and it is for sure like n will be 2 greater than 2 and 100, and the colors of I varies from 0 to 100, that is also fine. These data are generated in such a way that at least two houses have different colors. Okay, so this is for sure like we have two colors present in array with different colors, right? Different color of houses, so there will be for sure an answer. Here you can see like we have two elements, so both these are different colors, so output is 1, fine. So like I think we can use two pointer approach here. So using that we can easily get this value, right? First what we'll do, we'll check from a starting index and second from the last index, and we'll check the difference, the color, if the existing array value is not getting matched. So let's say here we are checking, and from here we are checking, if it is not getting matched, then that will be our like maximum difference we'll get, right? In case if it is not getting me, we'll just do minus from the end, or either plus from the like starting point, right? So and then we'll compare parallel at a time. So whatever maximum difference we'll get from either iterating from back side or the front side, that will be our answer, right? Okay, so we have given max distance with colors, fine. So what we'll do, we'll first take the length of the array. So and will be colors dot length minus 1. Okay, so this will be our colors. Now what we'll do, we'll take one max, let's say max answer, or like max diff to store our answer. So by default I'm taking 0. So anyway 0 is not a possible answer in this case. It will always be 1, so I'm taking 0 by default value. Now what I'll do, I'll run a loop which will start from index 0. Okay, from a starting index, it will go till size of the length, and then I plus plus will do increment from the left side, and we'll do comparison. From where we'll compare colors of n. So n is our last one. If it is not equal to our colors of ith value, ith which is 0, so first we are comparing the last one with all left side. If it is so, if you got this value like it is not matching, so What we'll do, we'll append that value in the max div. Okay, and max div we can just do mat dot max, and here we'll put max div, and the current value will be none other than n minus our I, right? So basically we are taking difference of indexes, right? If it is found, we'll just come out of the loop, so we don't have to iterate anymore. Similar way we'll do from backside as well. So what we'll do, we'll start from n, it should go greater than equal to 0th index, right? And we'll do decrement from backside. Similar way here we'll compare, because I is a greater now, so anyways we are going to compare I, and if it is not equal to our n, so sorry, it is, if it is equal to n, I think we can take as it is, don't need to update. So basically we are comparing the previous value with the last one, right? So last one, here we have to compare sorry, previous value with the 0th one, my bad, yeah, 0th value, like first starting with the previous one we have to check. And similarly here we'll compare we can directly take I think I, right? I will be the n, so that will be maximum difference anyhow from the starting. Even we'll do 0 minus I, it will be an I only, so I'm taking I. So once we found, we'll simply do exit from here, fine. And at last we'll return max diff, right? Hope, yeah, it will work now. Let's submit and see the test cases. Yeah, okay, so our all 3 test cases got accepted finally. Let's submit and see the test cases as well. Cool. Okay, so it was a daily LeetCode challenge as well of LeetCode, fine. Yeah, so it accepted all 126 test cases and beats 100%. That's quite good enough. So solution is at best pick, I believe. So here if we talk about the space complexity, so we are using constant space, so it is big of 1, and time complexity we are using 2 loop, which is going till n, so it is big of n. Yeah, if you know any other approach better than this, like it's already beaten 100%, so fine. If you know any better approach or any other optimal approach, you can just comment it down. So that's all for today. Let's see you on next video. Bye.